Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are doing a quick video tutorial on how you are able to add pops of color to your hair quickly without adding any form of chemical or worrying about any additional damage to your actual hair. Now for those of you that don't know already, this is Nicole, one of my usuals. Nicole came in and got her typical silk press. Now for her silk press, we used our Control It collection, which is the Mended shampoo and conditioning mask. And then I sprayed her down with a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. And now I'm just going through and just blowing her hair out straight using my blow dryer. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like the content that you saw today. Now, Nicole has what we call baby tapes. I know a lot of you have never heard of these, or you've probably heard me mention them before. But baby tapes are little or individual tape-in strips that you are able to use to add pops of color to your hair, all while still being able to shampoo, condition, and treat your hair and not worry about them coming out. Now, Nicole, of course, is definitely natural. Her baby tapes were put in, now it's been at least a month, if not longer. These baby tapes have been washed 3 times now. And she came in and said she wanted to add a little bit more color because she loves the way her hair looks with the baby tapes in it. So before I add any additional baby tapes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some frizz control, which is exactly what you guys saw me apply to her hair. The frizz control is going to serve as a heat protectant and also a glossifier. And whenever I am doing my silk presses, I always apply a heat protectant to the hair. It's super important, you guys. So the frizz control is definitely your go-to. Now, before I apply her baby tapes, because she is natural, I'm going to go ahead and silk press her first. The style that we're doing today is what we call the beachy wave or overnight waves. This is a really easy style that you can do no matter if you are natural or relaxed, where it simply just gives you that soft curl / wavy look. And then once the waves or the curls start to drop, you're able to wrap your hair and it's still nice and flowy. So Nicole actually loves this style. This is one of her go-to styles as of lately. And with the baby tapes, it enhanced the actual style even more. So I'm going to let you guys just kind of watch the curls get done. And I'm using our Elite Smooth. No, I'm using our Smooth by EHC 1-inch flat iron. Come on, Crystal, wake up. Our Smooth by EHC 1-inch ceramic flat iron to actually do her curls. It is set to 450, you guys, which is the reason why my sections are about 3/4 to 1 inch wide or in height. And that is also a good temperature for those of you who might be coarse or even medium textured. Now, if you're fine textured doing this, then I would highly recommend you use a temperature of about 300 and then work your way up. So I'm going to add another baby tape or another set of baby tapes to Nicole's hair. What I did is I took an actual baby tape and I just cut it in half because I wanted them to be a little skinnier. I didn't want them to be super chunky. This is also something you can do with your baby tapes when you get them. You can cut the baby tape in half. So now they're about 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch wide. And then that allows you to kind of have what we call chunky highlights, but without that extreme wideness. So I prefer highlights that are anywhere from 1 inch to maybe 1/2 inch wide. If you want them to be even smaller or skinnier than that, you can cut your baby tape into 3 pieces. If you don't want them skinny and you want them nice and chunky, then you can leave it as one whole piece. That is the magic to baby tapes, okay? Now, what I just did was I took my razor and I just stretched Nicole's hair out to match the length of her hair with the baby tape. The baby tapes are very easy to cut. I use the razor only because I know she has natural hair and I wanted it to have more of a feathered end rather than a blunt cut. You can also do that with your scissors. Like, you can do that with a razor. It's just really easy. Baby tapes come in the length of 14 inches because they are just add-ins, okay? So whenever I shampoo Nicole's hair with her baby tapes, I'm shampooing her like it was a regular day. Whatever treatment I put in her hair is going on the baby tapes too. Because remember, the baby tapes encase her hair in the middle because it is like a tape-in. So we're still going to treat the hair. We're still going to do our protection, like our leave-in conditioner. We're still going to do all of that. Why? Because that is the goodness of having a added or temporary enhancer, or something that's just going to bring that life to your hair without the form of chemical, and still being able to care for your hair all in one place. Okay? So Nicole actually has 3 different color baby tapes in her hair because we have added more. And the crazy thing is the fact that she is one of my more timid clients. She loves the baby tapes because it allows her so much versatility. And the fact that she can't really tell that they're in there. She sometimes forgets that she has the baby tape in her hair, and she goes to brush or comb and she's like, oh man, I forgot that was there. Her hair has actually grown out since we did the first set of baby tapes. She has about 1 centimeter of growth, of new growth between the baby tape and her scalp. So that does not hinder any hair growth. They are still very strong. They look amazing on her, and that is just something that I am super proud to say we offer, because now you can have that color or that pop of color without adding any chemicals, and you can remove them very easily. You can also add more, you can remove some. You just have a lot of versatility with the baby tapes. So once I finish adding her additional baby tapes, now I'm just going to go through and use our Flow 3-in-1 comb. I also sprayed her with Goddess polish to add that gloss to the hair. And all you do at this point is take your Flow comb and just comb straight down. What it's going to do is it's going to separate those curls. And you can comb and pull or lift, and that is what creates that beach hair, that overnight hair that we all love. This style is so versatile. It's one of those styles where, it's not just like a stay put style. It's just wherever your waves fall, wherever your curls fall. It's just like that messy bed hair that we all crave the day after we get our hair done, right? So whenever you get curls, you're like, oh, I love my curls the next day. Well, this gives you that look the same day. Okay, and then as you guys can tell, she has those pops of color from the baby tapes. So all is well with her. She loves this style. I love this style on her as well. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For those of you that are interested in getting some baby tapes, they are now back in stock on our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com. And also, any of the products you guys heard me mention during today's video is available on the website as well, including our Smooth by EHC iron and our Flow 3-in-1 comb. Now, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment down below on what you guys thought about the finished style, as well as the versatility of the baby tapes. And if you have any baby tapes, tell me how you like them as well in the comments. I'll see everybody in the next video. And like I said, don't forget to thumbs up. Okie dokie. Okay, bye.